you're eligible to choose one or more of your modules for your next period of study, you'll be sent an email to your university email address with a link to My Record where you'll be making your choices. Alternatively, if you can't find the email, you'll find the link by searching for My Record on the student web pages. If you're already signed into the university network, you'll be taken straight into My Record. If not, you'll need to sign in using your university username and password in the usual way. If you can see multiple tabs along the top of the screen, make sure that Module Choices is highlighted. Read the notes, click the box, and click Next to proceed. Here, you'll see your details and the details for your course of study. You'll also see that your current module status is Gen or generated. This simply means that everything is set for you to select your modules for the next academic year. You'll be directed to choose the relevant number of credits for you from the different types of module listed. That's 120 credits if you're full-time and between 40 to 80 if you're part-time. Most students will be presented with just compulsory and optional modules, but depending on your course and level of study, you may also be presented with interchangeable language modules or 20 or 40 credit dissertations. The more complex your choices, the more important it is that you've discussed them with your course team before undertaking this process. For each different type of module, click the View List button to see the modules on offer. Click on the name of a module for a very headline summary, including the location where it's taught. If you want to know more about what's taught as part of the module, you'll need to speak to your course team or refer to the handbook. To choose a module, just click the Add button. It's simplest if you start with your compulsory modules, so from this list, click Add to select all of those that appear just the once. If any modules were to appear twice on this list, it would be because the module is running in both semesters. In that case, you'd need to choose between either the Advent version, which is semester 1, or the Easter version, semester 2. Once you've successfully added all applicable compulsory modules, close that list and then click on View List for the next block, which in this case is optional modules. Remember, you need to ensure an equal distribution of credits across the 2 semesters. So in this case, as the student has already selected 20 credits for Easter and 40 credits for Advent, they need to choose another 40 credits for Easter and another 20 for Advent from the optional modules. If they get the balance wrong, when they try to submit their selections, they'll receive an error message. By checking the workload distribution report, they can see where it's gone wrong. And what they can do is then go back and choose again. To remove anything from the selected modules, just click on the dustbin icon and then you can replace it with something else. Once you're happy with your selections and you're confident that your credits are equally balanced across the 2 semesters, you can submit your selection again. Here, you have another opportunity to review the modules you've selected. If you're still happy, click Enter Selections. You'll see that your module status has been updated to ENT or Entered. This means your selection has been successfully submitted, ready for reviewing by your course team.